Hello and welcome to the demo for OpenCourse, the open source platform project I've been working on for Hacktober. So you'll be able to build, host and sell your own course without all the fees that you generally get associated with Teachable, etc. So you'll be able to create a course, manage lessons, and students will be able to pay and track their progress. So I'm going to just walk through what you can do. So you can create your course. So I'm going to say Astro Beginner Bites, a comprehensive beginner course for anyone learning Astro.js. I'm going to make my course $12.99. I'm going to choose an image, and I'm going to click next. Now I'm using Apprite on the back end and also Mux as well. Astro and Mux have a partnership, so that's kind of what inspired this project. So I'm going to create a lesson. I'm going to say intro to Astro. I'm going to say this is a brief introduction to Astro.js. Lesson number is, number 1, sorry, not 2. And I have a project here I can upload. This uses the Mux uploader. I'm going to save lesson. It's going to save it to my database. And then I will show you what's happening on the back end. So on the back end, I've got my Astro project. So this is the course we created with the image and everything. We've got the creators, we've got the lesson here, the ID and everything, the order. And right now we don't have any students, but this is from a previous thing. Okay. Alright, so we can continue to add lessons. So let me just add a couple more. So this is create your first project. How to create your first project using Astro, and upload my file. Which is great. Save the lesson. And one more. Let's say how to deploy your website. This is a step-by-step guide to deploying your website. And this is number 3. And I've got that too. Save the lesson. So here I've got 3 lessons with which you can even edit the title, the description, the number. And I'm going to show you the back end. So this is the actual course, and it's got a lesson item which is linked to the lessons we've created. So that's that. And if I go back to lessons, we can see all the lessons we have in our database. And like I said, we can add and remove any lesson. But now, if I click on the course page, if you're not the instructor, then you will be prompted to pay. But as the instructor, we can just take a look at what the user will see. So once they've paid, it will go to the first lesson. I've got intro to Astro, and you can play the lesson, or mark it as complete, which is great. And then you can move on to the next lesson, the same, you can play it, I noticed a typo here. So if I go to my dashboard and I go to create first project, I can change that to this, update the lesson, go back to the course, go to the second one, and here the update has been made. Mark is complete, and you watch that, mark is complete. And here we are, back to where we started. So that is the OpenCourse demo. I hope that you will be able to take a look at all the source code that's there, which will basically show you, walk you through everything that you need in order to make your own course. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.